Hello everyone, my name is Katie Cernkovic, and today I will be talking to you about a very important topic. This topic is special needs groups in regards to disaster situations. An important note to focus on is that although disaster planning requires a great amount of effort from all people, planning for those with special needs requires an even greater amount of detail. According to FEMA, special needs groups focuses on those who have physical, medical, sensory, or cognitive abilities and also include other special needs groups such as the elderly and children. Although all stakeholders must take an active role in planning, today I will focus on specific stakeholders such as individuals, business owners, and actual emergency managers. When it comes to planning for those with special needs, individuals, business owners, and emergency managers must consider a lot of the same things. Some of the most important things to think about ahead of time are how to efficiently, safely, and timely evacuate those that may need help. Evacuation and transportation takes many factors into consideration, such as wheelchair accessibility, loss of elevators in case of power outages, and alternative solutions for electrically powered chairs and scooters. Also, you need to be able to provide buses or other transportation options for those who are unable to drive themselves, as well as the necessary amount of helpers in order to evacuate these people safely. Another important factor to consider is how to continue the use of necessary medical equipment that are electrically dependent in the event of a power outage. If individuals and business owners do not prepare for these situations, emergency managers specifically must have enough resources to provide alternative means of energies, such as generators or long-lasting battery packs. Necessary medical supplies may include, but is not limited to, dialysis machines, supplemental breathing devices, transportation, or other assistance devices. Among transportation, electricity, and other life-sustaining supplies, communication is also an important factor to consider. Just like all other citizens, those with special needs will need a way of becoming and staying informed on disaster situations. They must know if they need to evacuate, how to get help, and how to continue receiving information in the event of a disaster. For some, this information may also need to be translated into another language, into Braille, or into sign language. For businesses such as daycares, nursing homes, and assisted living facilities, these business owners must have extensive plans and procedures set in place prior to the onset of a disaster in order to minimize injury, minimize loss of life, and damage to property. These owners specifically need to identify all risks and hazards and communicate with local authorities to ensure that they have the necessary resources and help in the event of a disaster situation. Business owners should reach out to their local emergency managers, and local emergency managers should also reach out to these business owners to make sure that the realistic plans are in place. Also, individuals, specifically with special needs, should be encouraged to register with their local fire departments, create a plan, assess their needs, and reach out to their family, friends, and neighbors for help. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.